Hello Witchcraft families, I'm Miss Fitzgerald and this week I'm here to model different ways to work on addition. This activity comes from the Week 1 Modified Curriculum Enrichment activities, which your child's special education teacher should have sent to you on Thursday, April 2nd. While the activity suggests addition within 20, you can really use these strategies for smaller sums if your child is not yet ready to work with numbers to 20. Today I'm going to be modeling these strategies within 10. These strategies are presented from least complex to most complex, so feel free to choose the one that works best for your learner. The first strategy is using manipulatives to help your child represent addition problems by joining groups together. Now in school we would typically use math counters, but unfortunately I don't have any at home. You can use any object that you have multiple of lying around, so I'm going to use some Cheez-Its instead. So I'm going to present the child with a problem. Then I'm going to use my manipulatives, or Cheez-Its, to solve the problem. So I'm going to represent three Cheez-Its, and then I'm going to put 4 Cheez-Its over here. The child can do this, or if they're not ready, you can help them do it hand over hand. Then I'm going to prompt them to count all the Cheez-Its. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. The next strategy is to draw pictures to represent the equation. If your child has the fine motor skills, they could try drawing pictures to show 3 plus 4. And then to solve. Usually in my classroom we use tallies or circles, but other classrooms might be using different things. I'm going to stick with circles for today so that students with fine motor difficulties have an easier time of tracking. 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to prompt the child to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. The most complex way that we're going to approach addition today is to use a number line to begin counting on. You can print out a number line if you have access to a printer, or you could just draw one like I've done. I've also gone ahead and put my number line inside of a plastic sheet protector so that I can draw on my number line and erase and reuse it again. So to represent this problem on the number line, I'm going to point to the first number, 3. That's my starting point, and I'll need to count on 4. So I'm going to find 3 on my number line, and I'm going to draw just a little dot. And then I'm going to do 4 jumps to get to my sum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jumps gives me 7, and that is my answer. This is a great precursor for learning how to count on in your head. Thank you for watching, and I hope these strategies are helpful to you and your learner in working on addition from home. Please reach out to your child's special education teacher if you have any further questions about how they might be working on this skill in their classroom. Now go eat your math counters.